Longest motorcycle. This Indian vehicle was recognized as the longest motorcycle in the world in 2016. It's 86.3 feet long. Its creator, Bharat Singh Parmar, had to drive 320 feet without assistance so that the record would be valid and fixed. This was actually not an easy task, because despite its impressive length, the motorcycle has only 2 wheels, which affects its stability and maneuverability. Monster motorbike. This huge 30-foot-long motorcycle weighs 30 tons. It's 11.5 feet tall and was created in Australia. In order to move the giant bike from its place, its creator used a Detroit diesel engine and also installed an automatic gearbox and wheels from a Korea dump truck Caterpillar on the motorcycle. Of course, this vehicle is not intended for public roads, but it can be an effective addition for any film. Not only cars, but small vans are destroyed under the weight of this huge motorcycle. Steampunk scooter. This steampunk vehicle is a hybrid between a scooter and a submarine. The creator decorated the body with a lot of small details, including a barometer, a guitar fragment, and an amplifier. And also installed a loudspeaker that can play music. Most likely, this scooter is a kind of reference to the Beatles' hit Yellow Submarine. Not in vain, the designer uses it while performing on chamber concerts all over Europe. Skyrider 1. This electric scooter is equipped with 2 motors of 8 and 17 horsepower each. On the back of the Skyrider 1 there is a large propeller. 2 lithium-ion batteries provide power to the vehicle, allowing you to drive up to 75 miles at a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour, or use the propeller for 30 minutes during flight. The weight of the electric scooter is just over 220 pounds, but the main feature of the device, of course, is its ability to fly. Skyrider 1 can take off from any flat terrain, and once you've straightened the paraglider, you only have to reach the right speed. Warhorse. Despite looking like something from a fantastic film, this vehicle is absolutely real and was even mentioned in the Guinness Book of Records. In 2015, Kevin Scott, the driver of this interesting monocycle, became the first person to reach 60 miles per hour on this kind of vehicle. But officially, the record was registered in 2017. Scott's monocycle weighs about 220 pounds without a driver, and the diameter of the wheels is 60 inches. It's worth noting that to drive the Warhorse, you need to have a well-developed sense of balance and not be afraid to fall, because the motorcycle is not stable at all. Night Shadow's Maiden. Designed by Byron Hemmers and built by the Massau Concept Cycles, a company that creates unusual motorcycles. This iron vehicle looks like the logo of the British automobile company Jaguar. And the technical characteristics of this motorcycle are just as great as its design. The model is equipped with a 1.2-litre V-twin engine, which allows the Moto Jaguar to develop an impressive speed, reaching a speed of 120 miles per hour without problem. The creator of this unusual model specifically picked up a power system that makes a sound similar to the growling of a Jaguar. It's noteworthy that the motorcycle is equipped with wheels from a Japanese sport bike. Moreover, the seat was made from scratch and it looks like that of a chopper. There's only one model of this iron beast in the world, for now. Truck trike. If you think choppers aren't brutal enough, then this motorcycle was created specially for you. It combines the details of a motorbike with the design of a truck, including some massive metal pipes and a driver's cab. It's worth noting that this motorcycle can carry more than one passenger. Behind the driver there is a comfortable seat for 2 people. King's Skull motorcycle. The classic Harley-Davidson FLHT CUI, decorated with metal details made by hand, really makes an unforgettable impression. It doesn't matter where exactly you saw this bike first, on the street at night or at an exhibition. Particularly noteworthy is the design of the rear lights of the motorcycle, made in the form of a silvery skull, as well as the sharp ends of the handlebar and the skull-like fragments of the body. Dragonfire bike. The main feature of this motorcycle is the massive dragon head behind the driver, which works as a comfortable seat. The fuel enters the head through a special entry, allowing the motorcycle to literally breathe fire when pressing a certain lever. In addition, the inventor installed 2 operating machine guns over the handlebar. Sci-fi bike. Some people believe that old cars and motorcycles aren't suitable for anything except becoming scrap metal or being sent for remelting. But there are enthusiasts who give them a new life. Someone restores them to their former grandeur, and some use different details to create something new. Thai artist and designer Rune Grojner Sangwon Prasan did that and created a sci-fi bike using scrap metal. It looks very similar to the main character of the Alien films. He's a specialist in creating a variety of things using old pieces of junk or broken things. The sci-fi bike is made of metal extracted from old cars and motorcycles. The result is a fascinating and unusual hybrid between an alien, the Predator, and a modern gasoline engine.